Bubbly Kids.
Hi kids, today we will learn my first words. Words related to food,
apple, strawberries, banana, bread, cheese, ice cream, chocolate, juice, cake, hamburger, cherries, cookies, milk, fruit salad, raisins, sandwich, butter, toast, pears, tomato, broccoli,
orange,
lemon,
words related to animals.
cat, rabbit, parrot, horse, zebra, camel, elephant, bear, giraffe, lion, tiger, crocodile, penguin, snake, monkey, dog.
Words related to transport.
Truck, helicopter, digger, airplane, ambulance, fire truck, boat, bicycle, train, car.
Words related to clothes.
jeans, dress, skirt, straw hat, socks, gloves, tights, pajamas, shoes, slippers, polo shirt, sweater, coat, underpants, undershirt, underpants.
Words related to in the kitchen.
plate, apron, knife, spoon, fork, mixing bowl, rubber gloves, blender, saucepan, cup and saucer, rolling pin, water glass, bowl, teapot, refrigerator, muff.
Words related to on the farm.
Hen and chicks, bull, lamb, duck, piglet, sheep, tractor, rooster, goat, goose, pig, duckling, cow and calf. Combine harvest.
Words related to toys.
Teddy bear, building blocks, toy car, crayon, toy duck, drum, doll, train, ball, truck, puzzle, spinning top, rattle, dollhouse, paints, paintbrush, board game, cups.
Words related to seashore.
Seaweed, pebbles, sailboat, crab, swim ring, sand castle, beach chair, sunglasses, shovel, bucket, seashells.
Words related to shapes.
Circle, square, rectangle, heart, diamond, crescent, star, oval, triangle.
Words related to nature.
Tree, flower, grass, butterfly, clouds, mountain, watering pot, ladybug, leaf, pine cone, woodpecker.
Words related to around the house.
chair, table, sofa, telephone, plant, pillow, vacuum cleaner, radio, keys, chest of drawers, picture, lamp, blanket, bed, book, clock,
Words related to in the bathroom.
bathtub, comb, hairbrush, razor, sponge, mirror, perfume, powder, potty, tissues, toothbrush and toothpaste, towel,
toy duck,
washcloth,
Words related to in the garden.
butterfly, wheelbarrow, string, seeds, rake, trowel, spade, fork, potted plant, hose, snail, shears, bee, flower pot, soil, flower, watering can,
Words related to body parts.
face, neck, tongue, chest, arm, hand, leg, toes, stomach, shoulder, foot, knee, elbow, head, hair, eye, cheek, chin, lips, mouth, nostril, nose, ear, eyebrow, forehead.
Words related to counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Words related to in the garage.
Rope, wire, stepladder, screwdriver, nail, screws, saw, oil can, drill, tacks, toolbox, chisel, sandpaper, wrench, level, hammer, plier, tape measure,
Words related to shopping.
shopping basket, toilet paper, grapes, cheese, onions, potatoes, lettuce, vegetable oil, cucumber, orange, green beans, coffee, detergent, fish, candy, pepper, wallet and money.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.